aku dulu dah jadi snake rayong. Snake rayong.
Several areas in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, were reported to be hit by flash floods due to heavy rain at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon, March 7th. It is understood that among the affected areas are Jalan Kuchai Lama and Jalan Pudu. The situation got a quick reaction from the public, especially social media users who shared photos and videos showing cars and roads being submerged. Several vehicles parked next to the UKM Institute of Medical Molecular Biology building were seen to be flooded. A Kuala Lumpur Fire Brigade spokesman confirmed that the video of the flash flood incident was reported to have occurred in Jalan Kuchai Lama around 4:15 p.m. this afternoon. The areas such Masjid Jamek and Jalan Raja Chulan also have been affected as well. People are advised to take great caution when commuting in and out of the city, as netizens also report that several roads have been blocked by water.
Kuchai lama, sudah tenggelam.
The rain is expected to last until 7 p.m. Currently, the rain has slowly subsided and the affected people are still waiting for the water to recede. The meteorological department issued a warning for thunderstorms in Kuala Lumpur, Penang, Pahang, Selangor, and 5 more states.